Okay, welcome to day 10 in the 30 days to a complete screenplay screenwriting challenge. Today we're going to write the scene where the character gets the assignment, right? They get offered the journey to go on. This is called the call to adventure. It's the moment in which the character gets a call to take on some life-changing journey, and they may struggle with this call. The call may come in the form of a herald, like for instance, and the rabbit that Neo must follow in the Matrix.
Work tomorrow.
Come on. It'll be fun. I promise.
Joel in Eternal Sunshine of the Spotless Mind gets a message from Clementine that he has been erased and he must do something about it. And this brings him on the quest to figure out what happened and leads him into the story. Glenda, the Good Witch, tells Dorothy to follow the yellow brick road, right? This is basically going to be an exposition scene in which the character is given the journey in some way. In the Barbie movie, this is where, Weird Barbie tells Barbie what's going on and that she's got to pick the shoe. This is basically an exposition scene, right? Where we get this is what we got to do. This is what the story's going to be. Now the character's probably not going to take the journey right away. They might refuse because the journey scares them, right? The journey is something that they're not prepared for, because if it isn't hard for them, then why are we watching this, right? In this next phase of Act 1, they'll debate to whether they should take on this life-changing journey, and whether they want to or not, they're going to, because otherwise we have no movie. But that's what we're writing next. So tomorrow, come back and we write the refusal. By the end of this, you should be on page 20 around.